Get in the crib! They can't come in here. I'm safe. Ah! These aren't even real glasses. I just found these somewhere. I have never played a Resident Evil game, like, ever. It's just never seemed like my type of game, but I saw my mans play this, and I saw Core upload a video on it, and I was like, let me hold off on watching those, and let me get in the mix, just to see if I want to play the whole game. So, if this is nice, then expect a playthrough. Okay. Alright.
Anyone home?
I mean, would you be home if you lived here? No, wait, why'd they zoom in? There's gonna be something crazy in here, isn't there? The controller is shaking like hell. Who was that? Okay, so he's just
sorry to barge in like this. Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
Oh. Oh, nah. Okay. Whoa, okay. Whoa.
Damn!
Cracked his neck with the kick? Damn! Oh no, what they doing to bro upstairs? Right. Oh no, it's dark. Oh, there we go. Flashlight. Oh. What the hell? Oh nah. Okay. Ugh,
Hey.
What's going on? Ooh, damn. Guy's throat slit?
I read you. What's your situation? What the hell's going on?
Okay. Did we just come all the way down here to turn back? Okay. Yeah, except the Huntsman's Lodge. You don't gotta tell me twice.
What was
Ready
that?
weapon. Whoa, nah. Why is it telling me to ready my weapon? Nah, wait. I don't want to hop on the sticks yet.
No fucking way.
Oh, crap. Hey, whoa. Oh, fuck. Wait, what do I do? Okay. Let me use this. Wait. So when they get close to me like that, do I, like, wait, can I use my knife? Ooh, okay. Ooh, ooh. Oh, I'm liking that, huh? What's it? Okay, this insta turnaround. Yep. Get that knife out. What's that? Uh-huh. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm feeling that. Let's get the gun out, though, because I don't want any of them to get close enough to me to have where I have to. Oh, shit. Bro, I don't speak that. English? No hablo español. No hablo español. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Did I drop anything? Any stuff around here? What's up here? You know I'm gonna need my loot before I. Oh, okay. Well, I guess it's the right way now. Okay, lock the door. Is that the president's daughter?
Bruce, this is Gondor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
The president's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up.
Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are.
Oh nah! Oh nah! Oh no! Okay.
I'll let myself out.
Yeah. Please. I was about to say, please don't let me have to fight this. What type of Power Ranger is Leon? What? I think they know not to mess with me. I think I'm safe. So far, I'm liking this. Like, I'm way too anxious while playing this, but it looks really nice. I wish I was more caught up on the story, so I'm probably gonna... Ooh, ammo. I'm probably gonna play some of the other games as well, but... No. Just feeling nice. Save? Can't save? It's probably because it's a demo. I understand. Alright. How much ammo I got? Oh, I got 12. Can I reload? Is this reload? Yep, reload is always square. Here we go. Oh shoot, what the what? Take him down! Take him down, Leon! Whoa, what do I do to you? I don't want gold coins, son. I want a way to dodge those attacks. Why am I am fumbling all over the controls. Oh. Okay. Bear traps. Do I have any more spray on me? Oh, wait, that's all. No, I don't need no more spray. Can I craft some more spray? That herb mix? That's the essential oils. Oh crap! Wait, how do I block? Is there a way to block? Bro, stop! Bro, stop! Bro, stop! This is my chance! This is my chance! Ooh. Alright, so I'm thinking one shot to the head, and then just going for the stabs. Red herb. I don't think that's what I need though. Flash grenade. Oh damn. Let me keep the blick out though. Nope, I'm not. Don't. Can you get this off my screen? I'm not trying to use this right. Yo, y'all got. What is this? Is that a head? Oh. Okay. Now I know why I'm gonna need that flash grenade. Hold on. What are you doing? Oh, is that the police officer? Oh no. Shit. Why am I just watching Leon get in the mix? Yes, sir.
Here we go.
Back up, lady. I'm not doing well at all. Guys, just forget what I did. Just forget what I did. Forget what I did. Okay, okay. Alright. Knife time.
Fight back!
Everybody, what the?
Fight
You
back!
next.
Fight back!
Oh, okay, wait. I wasn't even supposed to even encounter them. Shit. Alright. Sorry, bro, but you getting barbecued.
Perfect!
Yes, sir. Shut up, chicken. Who are you?
Here we go.
Back up. What? Who are you? Who invited Scarecrow? Oh, nah. What? What? Sir! Whoa. Okay, it's just locked now. Do I have to do that all over again? Alright, we're just gonna run at him with the knife. Oh shit. Fuck up on my face, bro. No, 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 no. Alright, the big Brocky gonna pop out the front gate. Alright, 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 alright. Yep, we get it. Now watch this. Mink, gone. Ow! Fuck! Okay, I'm just wasting bullets at this point, right? Yep, right. Who are you? Woo! Oh my god! Come on. Oh no! I expected one of them to run the corner. Die! Yeah, 1 down, 30 to go. Where are y'all just pulling these axes out from?
Keep coming.
Come on.
Damn it.
Come on, reload, reload, bro. Dodge. Oh, shit. Why do I keep missing? Where do y'all keep coming from? I gotta run through them. I gotta get that ammo. Come on, we're gonna go. No! Fuck. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Run, 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 run. Pick up the ammo, pick up the ammo, pick up the ammo, bro. Stop, stop, stop! This is a whole community. Where did you come from? I'm not even at the gate. Okay, now I got 20 bullets, but I'm not gonna be able to use them.
Give me a break already.
I can't aim. I can't aim. Whoa! Who are you? He's behind me, isn't he? Whoa! Alright, running for the gate. Running for the gate. Who are you? Oh no, my boy hurting. Back up, please. Yes, take out your own people. Shit. Alright, hit him with the juke move. Woo! Gone, gone, gone. Please just open. Open! What do you mean? Alright, bro. Come get these hands. Juke. Oh. Watch the jukes, watch the jukes, watch the jukes. Get in the crib! They can't come in here. I'm safe. Ah! Alright. We searching it up. Oh my god. Okay, okay. I ain't got no lockpick. Whoa! Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Shit. Alright, come on, single file. Shit, shit, shit. Whoa! Bro, I need me my herb mix. I need my herb mix. Hold on. Give me 1 sec, bro. Let me just get my herb mix. Why are they just putting down traps? No, 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 there's a trap there. Woo! Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. What? He didn't even break through the thing. Oh god. They coming from upstairs, bro. Come on, come on, come on. Ammo, 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 ammo. First aid's good stuff. Can I get out through here? Sure. Oh shit. Fuck. Can I get up? Let me get up. Let me go, 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 go. Oh my god. What the fuck? Nope. Yes, sir. Bro, are you serious? Fuck up out of here. Ooh, triple! Fuck, I'm in a dead end. Fuck, I'm in a dead end. We're almost out. What?
La campana.
Oh, what?
I'll give you the flauta.
Wait, did I just have to last? Oh, okay. Oh, is Bigums going too? Okay. Okay.
Where's everyone going?
Doesn't matter. Let's go. Okay. Okay. I like that. That was fun. Honestly, that was difficult, mostly because I've never played a game like this or any Resident Evil games, but that was fun. I like that. That was fun.